Talking today about a question involving a life insurance policy. Here to answer it, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, great to see you again today.
Happy Friday.
Yeah, it is time for the end of the week here, which is always a good thing, the weekend. But before we do that, we have some legal business to take care of for Mary in Mount Pocono. She says, the father of my son recently died. I found out there is a life insurance policy on him that is supposed to go to his son. His mom is refusing to give it to the son, saying that it was not his child. I never put the name on the birth certificate because the father had a PFA against him. Is there any way I can get this money for the son?
Boy, Mary. This is going to be a tough one. If there's no record right now that exists showing that the father, that your son, who the father is, then the only way that you're going to be able to get those proceeds of the life insurance is going to be to have a DNA test, and you'd have to exhume the body. I don't see any other way. Absent any other document saying that he's the dad, you're going to have to prove it, and the only way that you would be able to prove it is by by a DNA test, and you may have to do a exhumation, which literally means getting the body out of the out of the ground and doing some testing. I don't see any other way.
Yeah, we were involved in a case like this recently, and in the case that we're involved in, the mother
there was a document.
Yeah. So, I mean, if that's the case, try to find something that acknowledges paternity, a court order, a birth certificate, something, that would acknowledge the paternity of the child. Because at that point, then, if the decedent is listed as the father, then you're going to have a case. Because exhumation, that's costly, and it's not a great thing to go through. So, I mean, look for some sort of acknowledgement there. And again, there could have been a will. You look to see if there's a will, some sort of document that says, where they want everything to go, acknowledging the son, and that's probably the best way to resolve that.
All right, for our viewers who may need your legal advice, what's the best way to reach you guys?
Hey, call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Yeah, I just thought of one other thing. Check the PFA documents. Maybe there's something in the PFA documents, regarding the father and the son. Or go to our Facebook page, and if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer in an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks. We'll see you again next time.
See you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are open to get a question right here on the show.